Hello friends, welcome to Simplify Your Space. Adapting to the new ways like work from home and online classes has become need of the hour. With minimal outdoor activities and no schools, kids stay at home 24 by 7. That means all their activities including online classes has to be supported by parents, especially for the little ones. It is important that all their study material and essentials for online classes are easy to access and well organized. It will help them to stay focused and efficient while studying. In today's video, I will be showing you my son's study table and stationery organization. During the early of online classes, my son was using dining table as makeshift study table. Since online classes are a matter of routine now, I converted my desk in his room as a study table. Let's see how it looks now. This is my son's room. And this is his study table. My son is 6 years old. Setup and decoration are as per his needs and preference. Keeping minimal stuff on the table ensures more working space and lesser distraction. This flip heart-shaped calendar is helping him to learn about dates. And on the corner, his favorite happiness mug is placed, which he uses to sip water or juice. Now let's look at the drawers. The first drawer is utilized to store all his school textbooks and notebooks. Second drawer is utilized to keep all his study essentials organized. I have utilized a wooden drawer organizer to keep items segregated, such as pencils here, whiteboard markers and black sketch pens here, couple of sharpeners, erasers, paper clips and stamps here, kids friendly scissor and glue stick with colorful bookmarks here. At the back, kept this small orange color office stationery set which helps in filing his assignments and crafts. Here in these small containers, I have kept his crayons and pencil colors segregated. These containers not only keep the colors organized but are easy to access and can be kept directly on the table when needed. Sketch pens are used occasionally, therefore stored in the toothbrush holder, which is again very helpful in keeping things organized and is also travel friendly. When needed, just open the lid and place it on the table. It works just like a pen holder. When done, just close the cap and keep it inside. In the corner here, few post-it notes and a whiteboard duster are placed. With small kids, keeping only the essentials will lower the chances of wastage. The big whiteboard sheet is especially placed here for him to scribble. I would like to add a tip here. If you're planning to use whiteboard sheet on the white wall, then please do create the border to avoid marks. I've used a simple decorative tape to make one. He loves maths and likes doing sums and tables here. Recently, when I was sitting with my son while he was solving math problems, I could see that he was not making the same mistakes that he used to before. He was attempting to understand the question and then solving it. 12 into 4, we know that it's 48. But the same question when reversed, say 4 into 12, sometimes make the kid, including us, confused. I think rule-based learning is good to start with, but can be amplified further when math is taught as beautiful language of reasoning and logic. Cuemath is a platform that resonates to personalized learning. It is an online tutoring platform for KG to 8th class that believes math is learned with logic, reasoning, and visual representation and less dependent on memory. Good maths is a valuable life skill, and it is great if an expert can handhold while learning. At Cuemath, teachers are trained and certified to cue the students towards the right answer. It is important that children develop their own mental models and reasoning skills. While teaching, teachers make it as fun and interactive learning sessions so that kids learn as well as enjoy the sessions.
See, that's correct. Amazing! Click on next.
Children get their doubts cleared instantly by math experts. We took a free demo class with Cuemath and my son looked happy with it. You can also book your free trial from the link given below in the description box and avail 10% discount at the time of enrollment.
Like my mat. I have a big portion of mat is blue.
Now let's get back to the table. You would have seen this pin board in my earlier videos, which is decorated with foam cartoon stickers now. Calendar is placed here to mark important dates and school holidays. We already have study light installed here, so we don't use any study lamp. On the top, the shelf is utilized to keep some of his awards and decor pieces. Last year, he received this memento during a shloka chanting competition. Getting rewarded for hard working is motivating, isn't it? It adds to the motivation to excel and work harder. To keep his table clutter-free, a metal file rack is placed on the side wall with the help of command hooks. It helps keeping his current school assignments organized. On the top, small whiteboard sheet is placed which is actually used by me. I jot down important tasks and notes on this related to his school and studies. On the other side, this metal memo grid is placed to hang his craft work. I would suggest always use self-adhesive hooks instead of nails, as hooks can be removed easily if you plan to change the setup later. His headphone is hung here using S-shaped hook. This white chair has appropriate height according to the table and looks good. It is lightweight and foldable. I have placed these chair cushions to make it more comfortable. Nicely decorated and arranged study table make kids really happy. Now my son really looks forward to his classes and study time. Now let me show you how I've arranged his extra stationery and other studying and craft essentials. We have this cupboard next to the study table. The open shelves are utilized to keep his soft toys and his favorite Legos. He loves to play with Legos and enjoys creating new things with them. Inside the cupboard here again he has displayed his Lego creations. And on the top shelf here all his extra stationery items are kept. This small container has extra erasers and sharpeners. The other small container has batteries. This container has extra stock of sponge brushes. The big box is utilized to keep all the extra stock of pencils, markers, crayons, pencil colors, etc. These containers are really made of good quality and come in a set. Items are kept segregated and everything is clearly visible. On the side, a box of extra binder clips is kept along with the box of miscellaneous items such as rubber bands, pin boards, small clips and paper clips. These are purposely here as the shelf is out of his reach, at least for time being. I have used this foldable shelf to utilize vertical space efficiently. Under this, all the extra stock of school notebooks and activity books are stored. Extra pencil box and pouch are also kept here. And the writing board is placed here in the corner. I've also kept all the pens here which are used by me and my husband. On the other side, all the gift wrapping essentials are stored, such as wrapping papers, which are organized with the help of a magazine holder, decorative tapes, and paper bags. Some other stuff is also kept here, like this box of different types of colors, which my son uses while traveling to draw and paint. Few folders, this one for storing stickers, this orange one for organizing all the colored papers to make school crafts. and this red folder to store all the cut and paste papers for school assignments like for flowers, monuments, good habits, etc. His watercolor kit is placed in this tray, which is his favorite time pass. He just likes to make mess with watercolors, that's all. The top shelf is utilized to store all the craft supplies which are shared by me and my son. Use these different boxes to keep things segregated. I have lot of DIY and craft supply. Some more material is kept in other cabinet. We'll soon make a separate video on craft supply organization. This cabinet has 2 drawers also. One is used for storing all his rough notebooks and cursive writing books for home, his shloka books, his apron and mat which he uses while using water paints. The other drawer has some random stuff. The lower shelves are utilized to keep his board games and Lego pieces. So that was all about organizing his study table and stationery items. After reorganizing and rearranging the essentials, the same study table looks more beautiful and functional. It is mindful to adapt the setup as per the current requirement. Earlier it was set up as per my working space, but now it is made to work as my son's study table. Few months back we made a video on work from home and online classes desk organization. You can find the link of that video in the description box. This video was made in collaboration with Cuemath. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.